Remove this cover, use a 22mm socket. Very carefully loosen these up. Slide that cover off. Take the lug nuts off, same 22mm socket. Take the wheel off. Loosen up this jam nut right here. Use a 7/8 wrench or a 22. You just got to get it loose. That's good enough. Take an 18mm socket. Take this nut off down here. You can take a pickle fork or some other type of front end removal tool to try to get this off, or just take a hammer and just hit on the stud underneath here. Just break it free and slide it up. Now when you take the tie rod off, just count the threads, how many times you twist it off. So 1, 2, 3, 21, 22, 23. So 23, write that number down somewhere. Take the new tie rod, get it lined up, and count the threads. 1, 2, 3, 23. There you go. Now slide the tie rod into the knuckle. And put the casting lid on. Get that started. I'm just going to use a pry bar, pry down on the top part of the tie rod and tighten up the nut. And torque the nut to 37 foot-pounds. And see where the hole is to line up the cotter pin. And if it doesn't line up, just tighten it a little bit more until it lines up. Let's go through on the back side. Take some side cutters and just bend it down. Trim off the excess. Now tighten up the jam nut. And if you have the ability to torque this, torque it to 50 foot-pounds. Nice and snug. Now put the wheel on. And the lug nuts. Now we're going to tighten down the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Let's go around again, double check. Take the center cap, line that up, and then just with the socket by hand, just tighten these down. You don't want to strip them out. Keep in mind, after you're done this job, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned because you don't want to have premature tire wear.